So when you're young, you have a lot of time. So you don't find it valuable and you really don't have that many productive things to do if you're not very focused. But as you get older, you realize when you're single, you got a lot of time. When you get married, you have less time. When you have kids, you have like almost very little time. When you don't have air, you realize how air is so valuable. When you don't have water, you realize how water is so valuable. But you know, in this world we're in today, you go and you drink all these other drinks that are not water, that are actually unhealthy for you, and you just keep drinking that and think it's okay. But when you're in the desert and you need water, you find out how valuable it is. As you get older, you realize that time is a resource that's kind of vanishing, and if you're super busy, you realize that 24 hours in a day is no longer enough time for you to accomplish all of your goals. So that's how later in life you're going to realize, man, I wish I had more time, which leads you into figuring out how can I be more productive with my time, and then eventually evolving to the next phase, which is how can I collaborate with other people to maximize our time together and having them do things for me and I do things for them, right? Read the book Who Not How.